Hello, dear parents. Nursery classes are starting soon and we are super excited. But before our little stars walk through the school gates, let's make sure they're ready with the right things in their bags and the right habit too. Rule number 1. Label everything. Bag? Write the name. Water bottle? Write the name. Tiffin? Yes, again, write the name. Even extra clothes must have the name written on it. Why? Because there will be 40 number of students in a classroom, so we don't want their items to get mixed up. Alright, now let's talk about those tiny adorable feet. Please send shoes with a firm grip, no loose sandals and slippery shoes please. Our children are learning to walk confidently. Good grip means no slips and no trips. And next comes a tiny but very important item, the handkerchief. Every child must bring a handkerchief, but here's the rule, no sharp safety pins allowed. Please stitch it just above the pocket. If not stitched, attached with a button. It should be safe and easy to wash. Now let's get ready for the little just in case moments. Pack a small pouch with one full extra set of clothes, one diaper. Both should be labeled and placed inside the pouch. We will only use them if needed, but they must be there. And now, time for the most exciting part of the day, snack time. Let's keep those little tummies happy and healthy. Tiffin time is learning time too. Only healthy snacks, please. Fruits, plain biscuits, and simple homemade snacks are perfect. No junk foods at all. No chips, no candy, no chocolates. Let's build strong minds and healthy habits from day one. Thank you, parents. With your support, our children will start their school journey with confidence, safety, and joy. Let's do this together.